Y'all, look at this new camera. It is the Canon G7X Mark III. Hey y'all, it's your girl Mayana_Queen B with another video. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Here we talk about everything beauty related. Now let's unbox this Canon G7X Mark III camera. But before we start the unboxing, I see we have a lot of new subscribers. I am a licensed cosmetologist and cosmetology instructor. I am the owner of Queen Bee Cosmetics and Makeover Services and also the owner of Win or Go Home Beauty Academy. Now let's open this box. These are just your standard papers that normally come with electronics so that you can register the product and also with the instructions on how to use the camera. This is your standard battery pack here. And you know you need that for the camera to work. Now it came with a little wristlet, like a standard black one, but I like this one off of Amazon I may put on there. But this is the standard one that it came with. I don't know, I'm trying to choose between this one too. I like the little chain on there. This is the charger for the camera. Yep, works perfectly fine. Just a standard little charger, Canon charger for the camera. And just so you know, everything that I'm showing you today, I'm also going to put the link in the description so that you can purchase it if you like as well. Ooh, y'all, there she is. This is the Canon G7X Mark III. We were actually looking for the Mark II, but they were all sold out everywhere, all Best Buys everywhere, and we really didn't want to have to order it, so we found it at a local shop. I am going to order this screen protector from Amazon to put on it, y'all, because your girl is a little clumsy sometimes, so I do want to protect that screen and keep it nice. You'll also need a little SD card to help the camera to work as well. Look at this cute case for the camera. On Amazon, they had this pink one, they had black, they had green, gray, and like a tan color. Once again, I will be putting a link in the description for everything I showed y'all here today. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me unbox this camera for the first time. If y'all like anything beauty related, especially beauty educational wise, this is the channel for you. Here we're going to talk everything beauty and business. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.